Kindergarten Club friends. We're back to do some math learning. I have a surprise for you. We are going to use our jelly bean math machine to do some math together. So I've got jelly beans in a jar. You know what? It doesn't have to be jelly beans. You could use other things. You could use Cheerios or raisins or Fruit Loops or buttons, whatever you have. But these jelly beans today are going to be special for math. They're called counters. Your kindergarten teacher will maybe tell you, get out your counters. Some teachers will use a really big fancy word and call them manipulatives for math. And all that means is that when we're doing math, it really helps us if we can hold things and count things and touch things in our fingers. So we're using the jelly beans today. So I already made sets, just like you're going to do with your egg cartons. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of jelly beans. And each number, like number 5, has the right number of jelly beans with it. So 5 jelly beans for the number 5. So we're gonna do some math games today. Did you know, boys and girls, that every number that you have, like the number 6, can be taken apart or put together? So let's try that with number 6. We can take 6 apart in lots of different ways. We can take 3 on one side and, 3 on the other side. And guess what? Let's see if it still makes 6. 1, 2, 3, plus 3 more, 4, 5, 6. It's still 6. Let's see if we can take it apart another way. Let's move these over here and these over here. I've got 1, 2. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 still makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It still makes 6. We can do this in many ways. So when you use your buttons or your Cheerios or your jelly beans, when you count, take them apart and put them together. And that can make the same number. There's different ways to do that. Boys and girls, we can also play a game when we look at the groups that's called the before and after game. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to pick a number. Oh, I picked number 4. We can talk about what number comes before number 4. Before means it's the one in front of it. So here's 4. The one in front is number 3. 3 comes before 4. But here's a trick. We have a number that comes after 4 too. After means the one that comes next. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, what number comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. That's right. 5 comes after 4. 3 is before 4. 5 is after 4. You guys are doing great. Okay, we got a couple more things to do with our jelly beans. This is a clear container, and I hope you can see the jelly beans, boys and girls. We're going to try to estimate. We're going to try and think about how many jelly beans are in this clear egg. What do you think? Do you think it's just 1? Nope, I see more than 1. Do you think it's 1,000? I don't know. Everybody right now, close your eyes. Think of what number. Make a guess. Estimate. How do we test our guess? That our hypothesis is how many we think it is. The way we test it is by counting them. So I am going to need you to help me count, boys and girls. Oh boy, this is a lot of jelly beans. That's a whole bunch. I didn't know there were going to be this many. So when we count things, we use our finger and we count things one by one. We have to touch each one that we count. All right? So help me out with your pointing fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 jelly beans. That's a lot of jelly beans. We're gonna do one more thing with our jelly beans, boys and girls. I like how you counted one by one. You remembered to count each one. How many jelly beans were there? Who remembers? 21. One last thing we're gonna do. Remember how we sorted? Let's do that again. Orange, orange, orange. Green, green. White, white. And yellow. Okay, we're going to make a graph, boys and girls. We're going to line them up and see how many. Which one has the most? Oh, there's our graph. So we have 2 white and 2 green. That's equal 3 orange and 4 yellow. Which one has the most, boys and girls? Yellow. Which one has the least? Oh, 2 of them. White and green both have 2. And I have a tricky question. How many pink are there? I don't see any pink. When there isn't any, you say 0. That means nothing. 0 pink. All right, good job. This made me a little hungry for jelly beans. I hope you have a really fun rest of the day, Kindergarten Club friends.